Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be cleaning my house. We had just gotten home from vacation, so I had suitcases and things that I needed to put away, clothes I needed to get put in a basket so I can take them downstairs to wash them, and just in general straightening up our house. It was nice and clean when we got back, but we were here for a short period of time and destroyed it, so now I need to get everything back in order and get everything put away back where it goes. So if your house is looking like this and you need some motivation, stay tuned because there's a lot in here, and let's get into it.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not.
Right when we got back, I started to finish some of the laundry that I already had downstairs before I took all of our laundry that we used while we were on vacation down there to clean. So here I'm just organizing it all, getting ready to hang everything up on hangers and put all this stuff away. And then I'm going to start unpacking all of our suitcases and getting all of our toiletries and all that kind of stuff put away. And I'm just going to go around and collect all of the laundry that was in our suitcases and through the house that I need to take downstairs to start getting that washed and put away.
Do you ever respond? Explain it all again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
So after I got my daughter's suitcase all wrapped up, it was actually her dance bag. I just threw some extra things in there, so I ended up having to take all that stuff out, and then I sent that to her room. I'm just going through our suitcase now, just pulling everything out in the floor so I can take our suitcase downstairs and put it away. And then I'll start going through all the stuff that's on the floor and putting it where it belongs. We had a ton of stuff, and I was just ready to get it all put away. So putting it in just a pile on the floor is easier for me than going, piece by piece through the suitcase. That way I can see everything that I have and figure out where it all goes.
Tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go of the days I wish we had? Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
Once I had all of that stuff put away and cleaned up, I went ahead and started vacuuming, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and mop, and then we'll be good to go in this room.
I keep wishing we'll end up together, oh you. I keep wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. can do this all night. You can call it what you want. I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind. Close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night. We don't need to slow down. Take it all, give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark.
Now we're going to go ahead and move into the kitchen, and this was another giant mess. We had stuff all over the place, and I was emptying we have a food bag that we take with us whenever we travel, so I was emptying that the night before. Also, when we got home a little later, and we decided to order a pizza instead of cooking. My husband was pretty tired of driving, and we just wanted to just hang out and chill, so I ordered a pizza. So we had that I needed to clean up, and just some random stuff, more laundry, of course. I just threw all of this stuff out of another suitcase that we had, some of our towels and things like that. So I am just going to go ahead and start and get the kitchen table cleaned off first, and then we're just going to move around the room and get everything taken care of.
Lose your spell. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now. I'll let you in the dark. I'm waiting in the dark, where I can see you so clear. All we got is here and now. So give it all you got. Don't you pay them any mind. Close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night. We don't need to slow down. Take it all, give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark.
Now I'm going to go ahead and unpack this little suitcase. This had all of like our toiletry stuff in it, makeup, toothbrushes, toothpaste, all that stuff. So I'm just taking it all out, putting it on the table. It's easier that way if you just take everything out of your suitcase, your bag, whatever you're trying to clean out, organize. And then I just put everything away from there. And then later on, I'm going to take all the suitcases, everything that we had downstairs, put them away where they belong.
Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. So take it all, give you what you need. If you stay
Now I'm just going to go around and collect all the trash, get all that stuff thrown away and put out in the dumpster, and then I'm going to go ahead and go through and wipe everything down.
I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now. I'll love you in the dark. Oh yeah. Don't you know we're getting old for this game? So why you keep playing, boy? Walking around like you're some kind of star. Yeah. You're talking sweet, pulling strings, but I know there's always something up your sleeve. So I won't listen to a word you speak anymore. Oh no, 'cause you only bring me down. But now I am gonna fly. You're gonna be loveless when you're without me. You're gonna regret it. Sooner or later, you're acting 'cause you only cloud my eyes so that I can see the sky.
We had a food bag that I traveled with that had a bunch of snacks and food and stuff like that in it. So I'm just unloading that and putting away all of the chips and the snacks and the different things that were in that bag. I'm putting all of those away in the pantry and just cleaning out the trash that was in the bag. And then I'll be able to put that bag up where it belongs.
You're gonna be loveless when you're without me. You're gonna regret it sooner or later. You're acting all tough. You think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around comes back around? You're gonna be loveless sooner or later. I'm throwing all your dirty laundry out the door. There's nothing left to say. Your actions said it all. Oh yeah. Oh. Hey, you're gonna be loveless when you're without me. You're gonna regret it sooner or later. You're acting all tough. You think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around comes back around? You're gonna be loveless sooner or later.
Well, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it gave you a little bit of motivation to get some stuff cleaned at your house or some things checked off your list. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And I will see you guys in the next one.
Can I be a